Hi there. In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can view someone's inventory on Roblox. So before starting, make sure the player's inventory is public, otherwise you won't be able to view it. So let's go ahead and search for a friend or maybe someone that you want to view their inventory basically. So yeah, so for example, Mr. Flimflam, we want to view their his inventory. So go ahead and click the username for the person that you would want to see. So for example, this person right here, what you will do is you will scroll down a little. So as you can see, uh their inventory is not public, so therefore you won't be able to view their inventory. So now what we will do is we will find someone who actually has their account or their inventory public. So for example, this person right here, and then what you will do is you will scroll down a little, and as you can see, you will basically just have to click their inventory, which is this right here. And now that's how you do it. That's basically just how you view someone's inventory. And I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.